So some users have been bringing Riku.ai to office hours, which is great. We often use office hours actually to iterate the product almost daily, even in between office hours sometimes. So I decided to do a little tutorial to show everyone how to integrate Riku.ai pretty easily, and we've also added some smart delays to make it even easier into the cheat layer automation node graph. So let's go. What we want to do first is open cheat layer using the extension icon if you're completely new, and then hover over the image and click add to cheat. We can leave the selector the same, the default, and then click object detection here, and then go back to the website layer and then hover over the text area input box here for the comment wherever that is, then scroll down and click Riku.ai generator. Okay. Go back to the website, and for this one you can hover anywhere you want. Click add to cheat, scroll up and click scrape to G-Sheets. Okay. So now what you want to do is open sheets.new in a new URL that gives you a brand new Google Sheet. Copy that URL and come back to the page we were building the automation on. When you click the Scrape to G-Sheets no-code module, it highlights what we're automating in the background as a sanity check, and it also has these parameters on the right-hand side. Replace Google Sheets ID with the URL. You can put the URL there. Leave sheet name the same unless you have a different language, or sheet name actually might be a different default. And then where it says sheet values, click the drop down and select Riku. So you can see that it actually automatically collects even collections of variables of anything we've like object detection or anything we've generated before for you. Now in all these smart drop downs to make it easy so that users don't have to remember any sort of weird convention. So just click the Riku output there. Now let's go back to the Riku.ai prompt. In the Riku.ai prompt settings, under account we want to put our name for Riku.ai. That took a minute to figure out. And then go back to Riku.ai and click manage account to get our API key. I'll be updating this. You can also update yours. So this won't work anymore. And then paste it here in the settings. Go back to Riku.ai, and I'll also share this link for this prompt that I built. Click copy on the prompt. Paste it here for prompt ID. And then under input 1, we want to select object 1, which is the output for the object detection. Boom. Okay, that's it. I'm going to maybe scroll down a little, and then let's click run to see what happens. There we go. Model loaded, figured out it's a dog. Riku.ai prompt is going. Oh, and it commented that it's a dog. And then finally, and a bit of delay, just because we have smart delays now. And sometimes, you know, some users might have like a longer delay to the server. The scrape to G-Sheet should run in maybe a minute or so. And there it goes. And let's check Google Sheets. This looks like a great dog. Amazing. All right, cool. So that's it. It only took like a minute to set up. All you have to do is change these no-code parameters, and now you can quickly send unlimited Riku.ai prompts to Google Sheets using our native Google Sheets integrations without using any Zapier tasks or anything like that. It's very easy to set up. All you have to do is paste in your Google Sheet URL here and setting up the Riku.ai prompt. And you can generate dynamic prompts based on actual object detection. We also have an OCR module, or anything you can even just scrape from the website, and use that as input to forums, blogs, comments, things like that. Really excited what people come up with. Thank you guys.